All right, so let's do this. Okay, so the downward force here is 15 times 9.81. 15 times 9.81. 147.15. All right, and then I think I'm going to use a red pen. Shows up a little better here. Okay, so then we draw components, right? So for this guy, there's going to be a component like this, component like that, and then this there's going to be symmetry here, right? All right, and then of course the tension is like this. You draw a straight line. Come on, let's see you try it. All right, so then T1 and T2 are the same. These guys are going to be the same, right? This one's going to be the same. This one's going to be the same. Okay, so let's just set it up here in the x direction. Oh wait, we got to express the components. Okay. So this side, this guy right here is T sine 25, and then this side here is also T sine 25. And then this side here is T, because it's the adjacent side, T cos 25. And this also is T cos 25. And this guy is going to be, let's switch to the blue pen. All right. So in the x direction, we've got this guy is negative and in the x direction, right? This guy's positive and in the x direction. So here are our x directions. Minus T cos 25 plus T cos 25, which that's not a helpful equation. It's one equation with one unknown, but basically it reduces to 0 equals 0, which is just always true. Okay. All right, so let's look in the y direction. So this guy's positive and in the y direction. Right, this guy's positive and in the y direction. This guy's negative and in the y direction. And this one will be solvable. All right, so plus T sine 25 minus 147.15 plus T sine 25 is 0. And this one, this guy's a bust. This one's solvable, right? So this becomes 2T sine 25 equals 147.15, and then we could just solve that, right? So that guy divided by 2 divided by the sine of 25 is 174.09. Newtons. It's in newtons. All right. Sorry. All right.